Hello everyone, I'll try to be as quick as possible so you have plenty of time to finish your classwork in class. First thing is the first 2 pages of the packet is definitions, and you should look through this the list. You don't have to memorize all of them, but you should be familiar with what they mean. Especially here the null set or empty set, here's element of, number of elements in set A, and so on. And we will talk about all of these things in a little bit, and especially the boxed examples. So 3 is an element of this set because this set contains 1, 3, 9, and most importantly 3 is in this set, so 3 is an element of this set. So that's what that means. And here are the examples. Read through them and make sure you understand what a union is, intersection, subset, and a proper subset are. Okay. Alright, here is the first example. Answer the following below about subsets. Okay. If set A has 2 elements, 1 and 2, and B is a set with elements -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and C is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. And circle those that are true. So let's look at the very first statement here. So the very first statement says, is A a subset of B? Okay. This you have to check, is every element in set A also in set B? If the answer is yes, then this statement is true. And 1 and 2 is in set A, and here's 1 and 2. So every element in set A is also in set B, so A is a subset of B, so that is true. And we're going to do the same thing. Is C a subset of B? So let's look at that. C has -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and you will notice that set B has the exact same elements, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So because every element in set C is also in set B, this is also true. And set A has 1 and 2, set C has -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, so this is also true. Okay. Here, is set B a subset of A? No, because set B, you just have to find one example that's not true, so a counterexample. So look at -2. -2 is in set B, but not in set A, so this statement is not true. Is set A a subset of set A? Yes, because every element in set A is also in set A. And since B and C are identical, but they have the same elements inside, this is also true. Okay, example 1b. Every set has at least 2 subsets, itself and a null set. List all subsets of set with ABC. Okay, we're going to use proper notations to list them. So I'm going to start with the null set. The null set, you can say, okay, the fancy curly brackets, and that is nothing in the set, that's a null set. Okay, and I'm going to try to be very systematic, so I'm going to list subsets with 1 element. So there is a set with A, 1 element, A, there's B, C, okay, and I'm going to list subsets with 2 elements, A and B, A and C, and B and C. And finally, the set ABC itself.